Right then, we're going to go through the sled rope pull, which is a very good functional exercise, great for your upper back, great for your lower back, great for some conditioning as well. But there are a few pointers we need to be aware of to protect the lower back and make sure you're getting an effective workout. So, after we've securely tied our rope to the sled and put our weight on, we want to stand square onto the sled with our feet square on as well. Try not to be in a staggered stance because then you'll only work one side of your body. Square on, take the slack out of the rope and then get the excess out of the way. And what we want to do is reach forward with one arm, just enough with the shoulder. We don't want to overextend with the back, just the shoulder. And then keeping the head up, hips down, pull your elbow to your hip, reach forward, grab with the other hand, pull elbow to hip, grab, elbow to hip where we can. Resist the temptation to send one arm forward and then pull, switch arms, and then do it again with the same arm. Go one, pull, two, pull.